In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete, remove blocks, AutoCAD. If your drawing feels cluttered or the file size is getting larger than it should be, cleaning out unused block definitions can make a real difference. We're going to use AutoCAD's built-in cleanup tool so you can safely remove the block definitions you no longer need without touching anything that's still in use. Start by typing purge into the command line and press enter. Purge is AutoCAD's way of clearing unused content, like extra layers, line types, and especially block definitions that are no longer referenced in your drawing. It won't delete anything that is still placed in model space or paper space, so it's a safe, controlled cleanup. The purge window will appear. You'll see categories organized in a tree on the left and details on the right. This dialog is designed to help you target exactly what you want to remove. Remember, you're not erasing geometry from the drawing area here. You're removing definitions that AutoCAD no longer needs to track because they aren't being used. Next, expand the blocks category in the list. This reveals all block definitions that are currently eligible to be purged. If a block doesn't appear here, AutoCAD considers it in use somewhere in the drawing and will protect it from removal. Expand the list fully so you can see each block by name. Find the block you want to delete and check its box. Selecting a checkbox flags that definition for removal. Take a moment to be sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if your drawing uses similar names or variations of a block. Click on the block's name to see a preview of it. The preview helps you visually confirm that you're targeting the right definition before it's removed. If the preview looks blank or minimal, that can happen with certain blocks or dynamic content, so rely on both the name and the preview to be confident in your choice. Now click Purge Checked Items. AutoCAD will remove the selected, unused block definitions from the drawing database. When it's done, you'll notice the block disappears from the list, confirming it has been cleared out. If something remains, it means AutoCAD detected that it's still in use and won't purge it. And that's all. You typed purge, opened the purge window, expanded blocks, checked the block you wanted to remove, previewed it to confirm, and clicked Purge Checked Items. This quick cleanup helps keep your file lean, organized, and easier to manage as your project grows.